So today's lecture we are discussing in this the genetic engineering paper, that is a unit 4th. Okay, so that is a genetic and the physical mapping of genome. Okay, so today's lecture we are discussing the genetic and physical mapping in between the genomes. Okay, we are already discussed what is a genome, so we are very well defined what is a genes. Okay, so now we are starting this the genetic mapping. Okay, so today's point to be discussed as introduction and the types of mapping of genome. So what is the genome mapping? So the creation of the genetic map assigned DNA fragments to the chromosome, which provided the first level of the genome mapping. So first level of the genome mapping is that the fragments to the chromosome, assigning the DNA fragments to the chromosome. Okay, so when the genome is first investigated, this is a map is नन एक्झिस्ट. ओके, जेव्हा आपण फर्स्ट जीन इन्व्हेस्टिगेट करतो तर त्याच्यामधलं जे डिस्टन्स मॅप आहे तो काय आपण नॉन एक्झिस्टंट असतो. द मॅप इज इम्प्रूव्ह विथ द सायंटिफिक प्रोग्रेस अँड इट इज अ परफेक्ट वेन द जिनोमिक DNA सिक्वेन्सिंग ऑफ द स्पेसिस हॅज बीन कम्प्लिटेड. ओके, तर कधी कम्प्लीट होतो मॅप? इट इज अ मॅप इम्प्रूव्ह. केव्हा इम्प्रूव्ह होतो मॅप? विथ द सायंटिफिक प्रोग्रेस इन द परफेक्ट वेन द जिनोमिक DNA सिक्वेन्सिंग ऑफ द स्पेसिस हॅज बीन कम्प्लिटेड. एखाद्या ऑर्गॅनिझमचे सगळ्या जीनचे जे सिक्वेन्सिंग कम्प्लीट होते तर तेव्हा त्या जीन्समधलं काय होतो? मॅप इम्प्रूव्ह होतो. ओके, ड्युरिंग दिस द प्रोसेस अँड द फॉर टू द इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन ऑफ द डिफरन्स इन द स्ट्रेन, द फ्रॅगमेंट्स आर आयडेंटिफाईड बाय द स्मॉल tags. Okay, those fragments are we are identified, then we use the small tags with it. Then this may be genetic markers or to the unique sequences. It depends the pattern of the DNA cutting enzyme. So we know that the different type of the restriction enzyme, they are the cutting on the specific sequences. These may be the genetic markers or the unique sequences. It is depends upon the pattern of DNA in the cutting enzymes. Okay, तर कटिंग करण्यासाठी आपल्याला माहिती आहे काहीतरी स्पेसिफिक सिक्वेन्स असतं. दिस इज अ स्पेसिफिक सिक्वेन्सेस. इट इज ॲक्ट ॲज अ मार्कर फॉर टू द आयडेंटिफिकेशन्स. So the term mapping is used in a two different contexts, but both of these are the interrelated. These are the two different contexts, but both these are the interrelated. The genetic mapping is used the classical genetic techniques. These are the classical genetic techniques. Example, the pedigree analysis of breeding experiment. Okay, these are the examples to determine the sequence feature with the genome. Using the modern molecular biology, the techniques for the same purpose is usually referred to as a physical mapping. Okay, the molecular biology techniques for the same purpose is usually referred to as a physical mapping. The types of genomic mapping, there are the mainly the two types of the genetic genomic mapping. There are the genetic mapping and the physical mapping. There are the two type of the genome mapping. So we will discussing the one by one in this the next slide. So firstly we are discussing the genetic mapping. What is the genetic mapping? Okay, the genetic mapping means the representative of the distance between the two DNA elements based upon the frequency at which the recombinations occurs between the two. तर जेनेटिक मॅपिंग म्हणजे काय? इन दिस द जेनेटिक मॅपिंग आपण काय करतो? डिस्टन्स बघतो कशामधला? तो DNA एलिमेंट्स मधला बेस्ड अपॉन द फ्रिक्वेन्सी विथ द रिकॉम्बिनेशन, ज्याची फ्रिक्वेन्सी रिकॉम्बिनेशनची ऑकर आहे इन बिटवीन द टू जीन्स. सो वी आर फर्स्टली this map is represented. Okay, this first genetic map of the chromosome was constructed by the scientist Alfred Sturtevant. Okay, the scientist is Alfred Sturtevant. He was the first a genetic mapping of the chromosome was constructed. They using data from the Drosophila mating crosses collected by the Thoms. तर ड्रॉसोफिलाचे जे मॅटिंग क्रॉस कलेक्ट कोणी केलेलं आहे? तर सायंटिस्ट थॉम्स अँड थॉम्सन्स मॉर्गन. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट इज अ फिजिकल मॅपिंग. आता फिजिकल मॅपिंग म्हणजे काय? द फिजिकल मॅपिंग ऑफ द जिनोम इज अ मॅप ऑफ अ जेनेटिक मार्कर्स मेड अप बाय अनालायझिंग द जिनोमिक DNA सिक्वेन्स डायरेक्टली. तर याच्यामध्ये काय करतो आपण? त्याचा फिजिकल्स मॅप घेतो जिनोमचा. इट इज मेड अप ऑफ द जेनेटिक मार्कर्स. वी नो दॅट इन दी अवर द जेनेटिक DNA इट कंटेन द there are the various types of the markers are present on our the DNA. So that are analyzing is the genomic DNA sequentially directly. Along with the genetic map, the physical maps for the each chromosomes with the genome can be constructed. जेव्हा आपल्याला जेनेटिक मॅप्स घ्यायचा असतो, फिजिकल्स मॅप फॉर द इच क्रोमोझोम विथ द जिनोमिक कॅन बी कन्स्ट्रक्टेड. त्याच्यामुळे आपल्याला काय करावं लागेल? जिनोमिक फर्स्टली constructed. The variety of the different techniques have been used to construct the physical map in the absence of complete DNA sequence. देर आर द व्हेरिएटी डिफरंट टेक्निक्स आता अवेलेबल झालेले आहेत की त्याच्यामुळे आपण काय करू शकतो, कन्स्ट्रक्ट करू शकतो फिजिकल मॅप इन द अब्सेन्स ऑफ कंप्लीट DNA सिक्वेन्स. कंप्लीट DNA सिक्वेन्स नसला तरी आपण काय करू शकतो, त्याच्यामधला मॅप आपण इझिली काढू शकतो. ओके, सो आपण जसं की मागे जेनेटिक मॅपिंग पाहिलेली आहे जिनोमिक त्याच्यामध्ये, तर जेनेटिक मॅपिंग म्हणजे काय, त्याच्यात आपण संपूर्ण त्या होल ऑर्गॅनिझमचं जेव्हा जीन सिक्वेन्स स्टडी झालेला असेल कंप्लीट, तर तेव्हा आपण काय करतो, जेनेटिक मॅप इम्प्रूव्ह करतो. ओके, बट इन दिस द फिजिकल मॅप डे नॉट रिक्वायर्ड फॉर द कंप्लीट DNA sequence. So in this we are isolating this the physical map. So which are these techniques involved in constructing of the physical maps? There are the restriction maps, radiation, hybrid maps, STS maps. Okay, these are the techniques for the constructing the physical map. So we are discussing the one by one. So what is the restriction maps? We know that the different type of the restriction enzymes are using for to the cutting of that of the particular sequences. So what is the restriction map? The restriction map is a map of a known restriction site within the sequence of the DNA. The restriction mapping require the uses of the restriction enzyme. So it need of the restriction enzyme. In this the molecular biology, the restriction maps are used as a reference to the engineered plasmids or the other relative short pieces of the DNA, and the sometimes for the longer genomic DNA. Okay, there are other way of this the mapping features on the DNA for the longer length DNA molecules, such as the mapping by the transduction. We know about the transduction. They are the transfer of the gene from to the another organism through the viruses. It is known as a transduction. So transduction, it is also for to the helping for the mapping. The methods of making these restriction maps. Okay, there are the methods आहेत the restriction maps घेण्याचे त्याच्या. So another technique is a radiation hybrid mapping. Okay, in the radiation hybrid mapping, also known as RH mapping. Okay, it is a technique for the mapping the mammalian chromosome. So especially this techniques it is using for to the mammalian chromosome mapping. Okay, it carries the small DNA fragments from to the genome of the other organisms. So याच्यामध्ये काय करतो, it carry the small DNA fragments from to the genome of the other example like the human. So irradiating human cells with the X-rays, they causes the random breaks with the in the DNA. तर याच्यामध्ये काय करतो आपण, X-ray radiation it is using for to the breaking with the DNA. The size of this the fragment decreases as does of this the rays in increases. जेव्हा आपण rays increase करतो तो size of fragment चा काय होतो, decrease होत जातो. These the radiation levels are the sufficient to kill the human cells, but the hybridization of this the cell with the hamster cell in vitro reduces these cells. Okay, these the human cells are there are the further analyzed for to the genetic markers. It is the carrier. So another method for to the physical mapping, that is a STM map. This is the techniques for to the physical mapping. So STS, that is the full form of the STS, the sequence tagged site in a DNA fragment of the 100 to 100 base pairs length generated by the PCR. Okay, these are the polymerase chain reaction. We are already discussing what is the PCR techniques. Using this the primer based on already known the sequences. The genome sites are tagged by its ability to the hybridize with that of the sequence. So the sequence tagged site can be generated from the previously cloned gene or from to the random non-gene sequence. Okay, and the STS maps for the human genome has now been constructed using the series of radiation hybrid respectively. Okay, this is also the type of this the physical mapping. This is the techniques. So what is the advantages of these the physical mapping strategies? So provided the approx distance and the order between the DNA sequence. Okay, the yield of the framework onto which the sequence information can be applied. Restriction mapping provide the highly reliable fragment ordering and the distance estimation. The RH mapping allows the relatively likelihoods of the alternative markers order to be determined. The RH procedure was used to map the 14 DNA probes from a region of the human chromosomes, that is a 24 spanning of the 20 mpb. Okay, so STS technique has been used to order the insert from to the individual human chromosome in the yeast artificial chromosome library, but it was later injected sums from the yeast artificial chromosomes contain the DNA from the more than one human genome sequence. The physical maps proved useful in producing the order library clones. Okay, so here we are completed the genomic and the physical mapping. Okay, carefully understand for to the genomic mapping, the all the sequence of these the genes are important for to the improving of the mapping, but in this the physical mapping they are not required for the complete sequencing. Okay, these are the two methods for to the specially using for the map in between these the genes. Okay, so here we are completed. So we are discussing the next point in this the next lecture. So for thank you for joining this lecture.